Hi everyone, in this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to go over doing tracking titles with Resolve. Tracking titles is something that can be done in Fusion using the planar tracker, but you can also use the internal tracker that is inside of Resolve as well for doing this. And so for example, how we do this is, let's just take some text here and just put it over this particular clip. And let's just lengthen that up a little bit like that. And so now we have this like so. Now we have a title. Now I'm going to change the name of that. Call it landing. Okay. So now I want to change the color. So let's just change it to something that doesn't clash with the background so much. And then we'll do it like that, and then we can just do it over here like so. And let's make it a little smaller. You can either do it this way, or you can also just grab on it and make it a little bit smaller. But we'll do it this way here. And now I want to reposition. I'll do it something like this. Okay, so now that I have this repositioned, now what the next step is actually highlight my text tool here, right mouse click on it, and create a compound clip out of this. Okay, so now we have a compound clip that has been created. We've got the titles. Now what we have to do is we go over and we want to track the airplanes because we want the text to follow along with the airplane as he's coming in. So what we do is we come over to the color page on Resolve, select clip number 2, and then what we want to do is change it over to stabilizer mode, and then click on the little 3 dots on the upper right, and then select Classic Stabilizer. Okay, then strength should be -100, and then what we want to do is this should not be on Cloud Tracker, it should be on Point Tracker, and then we want to come over and select a point. Now as you can see here, a little point has been added, and I'm just going to move that one over the window of the airplane there. That's a good point for me to work on. And then what I'm going to do next is click on the track forward. So as you can see, it just tracked the window of the airplane. And then I can come over here and track it back. So this way I've got my tracking all the way through the entire shot. Now since we have this done, what I'm going to do here now, click on the 3 dots and select Copy Track Data. And then what I can do is then move over to my compound clip, which is actually my title. And then it should be in the point tracker. And then select the 3 dots. Select Paste Track Data. Now if I take this and play it, as you can see here, the titles move along. If I don't want to see my point, I can just select the curve area here, for instance, and then play it. And there is my title moving along. If I want it to be a little bit closer, then I can just come over here to my repositioning, and then I can pan it over and then tilt it down like so. And now if I play it over, you can see here, it'll come across. And if I want to, I could put a call out line or anything like that. I could add that in as well. So there we have it. For more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel. And for more information about training, please have a look in the comments below. Thanks and have a great day.